Hey guys, my name is Leanne.
I'm Ari.
My name is Josh. I'm a senior park and rec. One more time.
And welcome to the special episode of Craft It.
Craft It Holiday Edition.
I'm not gonna make a big deal out of it, you know? Did I say it right?
Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Josh. I'm a senior park and rec lead for the city of Palma. And you are watching.
Thank you. Very cute.
Bam!
All right, we'll work on it.
Oh, that's easy.
A paper, it's a wreath completely made out of construction paper, it seems like. Yes.
We're just gonna go with the flow and see what happens. I think I have an idea, but I also think the paper, I don't know how I'm gonna make a little loop.
It seems this.
You know what you do? You know what you do?
All right, I have this little nice tube. Now I'm gonna cut it into little strips.
See, it seems simple, but I feel like that's its complexity.
My favorite Christmas song is, you know, the NSYNC one.
But if I had to pick one, I do like a classic Jingle Bells.
I like the Christmas song. I want to say it's called. I forget how it goes. But that's the jam, though.
That time of year, Christmas time is here. Merry Christmas. Oh yeah.
Hey, look, it's working.
All right, we're gonna give her a little more bend.
Ooh. Yeah.
I think I'm onto something.
Because I didn't think it was gonna work, but it's working. Yeah. Leanne, show us.
It's a square.
I'm getting there. Okay.
Nice. Ari.
That's where we're at so far.
How do you make it not a square?
Right there? Yeah. Little, yeah. Sausage.
Josh, wow.
Yep.
Looks like a tire.
I think.
You think crafts are a joke?
Sorry. Yes. Yes.
All right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna just start putting them together. So this is gonna be one.
Happy holidays.
Ari.
The nice bow that was put on the front of this was made for this project,
Yeah.
and that's on Craft It.
Oh, am I supposed to put like red dots on it or? Oh, you know what? I know that.
You're not gonna decorate your wreath?
What? No one else did. Am I supposed to?
This one was fun. You know? This one was so cute.
Crafty.
So
Holiday edition.
you really don't want to add. Okay.
Mask on.
Craft it.
Craft It.